What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Pit Crafters video. Yes, it is your boy Pit Crafters here with another video on some weather. Um, yes, guys, I am still recording on my laptop. No one has really said anything in the comments. I'm so sad, but if you want to go back on that video and comment the new format of these type of videos, then you are more than welcome to do so. Okay, it's never too late. Now, let's gonna get straight into this. So, as you can see right here in Colorado. Yeah, right here in Colorado, you can see some heavy snow starting to get dropped into there. Um, and you can see there's some heavy snow followed with heavy, kind of moderate rain right here into New Mexico. Right there. And then some snow could get into New Mexico. But if you guys didn't notice, well, look at Houston. Look at this. That is a very heavy rain and strong thunderstorms, maybe even some hail possible, could strike there. And the Weather Channel has already been talking about this, so this could happen slightly tomorrow. So I would be on the lookout. And also, one last thing, let me check the radar. Yep, that's the one I'm looking for. All right. As you can see, but National Weather Service radar loops does not show. It does not show snow. And it's been a really wet month for Texas. Look at this, guys. Large hail being produced in Texas is causing severe flooding. If you guys haven't watched the Weather Channel, it has been bad. And this isn't just happening in Texas too. This is actually happening in a bunch of places, like even Georgia, which is about to get all that rain there. You got Alabama in there, Mississippi, Louisiana, some rain in Florida, and of course in Texas. Now this is just spreading around, and yeah, it's really bad because there has been some major flooding right around in the Houston and Texas. Every round in Texas except for North Texas and East Texas haven't really been getting any floods. At least I don't think they have been, not to my latest knowledge. But some hail is being produced in there, and it's really sad. And National Weather Service does not show snow, so that's unfortunate. But yeah. And I'm gonna go I'm gonna change the region. We'll go to the North Atlantic because that's the one we're mainly looking at. Alright. And now, as you can see, uh pretty hold on, look at this. Yeah, there's a heavy rain that we were just talking about, that we were just talking about over here in this area. The heavy rain just being produced. And you can also, but we're not going to get into that, not just yet. But we're going to go way into this. As you can see, some pretty good formation goes into the Atlantic. Right there. That's a pretty organized Atlantic thing. Just as we haven't talked about this yet. This is a pretty organized little circulation that could actually, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, that actually could become a subtropical storm. And just look at that. That could be a tropical storm. But it's going to go far north and then it's going to dissipate. But we're not done yet. You see, we can have another circulation right here on May 25th, which is absolutely crazy. We're going to go more into this, maybe. Nah, it's just the same. It's pretty fascinating, to say the least. And now we're going to look at some current storms. which is Cyclone Lily. I would say that Cyclone. Actually, no. It's just right there. Okay. I'm gonna go on this cycloneking.com. It's a pretty good place to check out storms. And you can see Cyclone Lily, which is happening in the which is happening near Australia. If you guys haven't been aware of this current cyclone in the regions, it's Cyclone Lily, which is currently a tropical storm. Sorry guys, something happened, but this is a tropical storm right now. Um, ah, um, we'll have some other radars. There's also some more stuff I got to do. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Here is the current radar forecasting models. As you guys can see, we're going to talk about this Texas storm. Look at this. Heavy rains being produced. And this is going to be happening tomorrow. I would say it's going to happen on May 10th, like really early in the morning. It's going to be happening really early. Hold on, let me pause on the greatest part. Okay. Crap, whatever. Okay. Well, let's do this again, guys. We can't fail because you know how we are. Okay, whatever. But it's supposed to be this. So this is supposed to be happening very early in the morning, 5 a.m. to be exact, on May 10th. 5 a.m. And I'm going to be asleep at that time. This is where my weather is, because where my mouse is right here, the cursor is where it's pointing where I'm at, like my location. But Texas is getting some really heavy rains early in the morning, 5 a.m. So that's something pretty interesting. And again, some snow happening here, but yeah, it could go wrong, but you never know. It's always a possibility. And now, but we're not done yet, guys. We're going to go to the Puerto Rico. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if that's supposed to be accurate, but that was a couple days ago. We need the Puerto Rico now. No, that's not really important, guys. Here's another type of model view. As you can, yeah, this is a better type of model view. Again, it skipped the 5 a.m., so I'm sorry about that. See, look at this. Heavy rain. Still going to be causing some major flooding to Texas. So, if it gets really too bad, then you guys know your evacuation plan. I mean, I wouldn't really evacuate, but if like the flooding gets really bad, then I would do the choice. Okay, if you have that gut feeling to evacuate, listen to your gut. Okay, it's smarter than this. But I don't know, guys. I'm getting off track. I'm probably just gonna end this. Please like and subscribe, and yeah. I didn't really talk about much about Cyclone Lily, but hopefully we'll be able to do that in the next episode, okay? I'm running out of time. See, it's 7:46. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye!